If you want to make your Discord account more secure, enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, is one of the best things you can do. Passwords alone may not always be enough to protect your account, especially if they are reused on multiple websites or become exposed in a data breach. With 2FA enabled, Discord requires a second verification code in addition to your password whenever you sign in. This extra layer of security can help prevent unauthorized access to your account, servers, messages, and personal information. The good news is that enabling 2FA on Discord only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enable 2FA on Discord in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and sign in to your account. You can do this using either the desktop application or the Discord website. Once you are logged in, look for the gear-shaped user settings icon near the bottom left corner of the screen and click it. Inside user settings, make sure your account information is visible. Under the My Account section, look for the option labeled Enable 2FA. Click this button to begin the setup process. Now you will see a QR code along with a setup key. At this point, you need an authenticator application on your mobile device. Popular authenticator apps include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Authy, and other compatible authentication apps. Open your authenticator application and choose the option to add a new account. Most authenticator apps provide a QR code scanner. Use the scanner to scan the QR code displayed by Discord. If you cannot scan the code, you can manually enter the setup key shown on the screen. Once the account is added, the Authenticator app will begin generating 6-digit verification codes that refresh automatically every few seconds. Return to Discord and enter the current 6-digit code displayed by your Authenticator app. After entering the code, click Activate or Confirm to complete the setup process. Discord will first ask you to confirm your current password. Enter your current password and continue to the next step. If everything was entered correctly, Discord will successfully enable 2FA on your account. From now on, when you sign in from a new device or location, Discord may ask for a verification code from your Authenticator app in addition to your password. After enabling 2FA, Discord will also provide backup codes. These codes are extremely important because they allow you to access your account if you lose access to your Authenticator app or mobile device. Save the backup codes in a secure location. Many users store them in a password manager, encrypted notes application, or another secure offline location. Do not share these codes with anyone. Another useful security option is enabling SMS authentication if Discord offers it for your account. This can provide an additional recovery method if you temporarily lose access to your Authenticator application. You should also verify that the email address connected to your Discord account is current and accessible. A secure email account plays an important role in account recovery if you ever experience login issues. For maximum security, use a strong and unique password alongside 2FA. Combining both protections significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. So that's the easiest way to enable 2FA on Discord in 2026. The main steps are opening user settings, selecting Enable 2FA, linking an Authenticator app, entering the verification code, and safely storing your backup codes. Most users can complete the entire process within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, security tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.